Hi friends, this is 5 minutes to YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Lite. In this video, you will learn how you can set vibrate when answering calls in your tablet Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Lite. That is, when you receive any call, if you answer it and you will experience one vibration. So you can make sure that your call is answered. Okay, for if you want to use this feature, you have to do some changes in your settings of your tablet, and then you can easily use this feature. Okay, for that, first go to the phone icon. Okay, go to this three vertical dots now and click on settings. Now click on call alerts and ringtone, and first option is vibrate when answered. Just you got to make sure that this option is enabled. Okay, just turn on this button. Now if you receive any call and if you attend the call, vibration will occur. See here, I make a call from another phone, and I will show you a demo now. Just wait. Yes, call is received and I attend the call. There is some vibration when attending the call. Okay, so in this way you can easily set vibrate when answering calls in your tablet Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Lite. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.